Hello students, I am Venkateswarlu. In this session, we are conducting mock test 4 for the topic molecular basis of inheritance. This is the mock test 4, question number 76. The correct coding pattern of the 4 nitrogenous bases of DNA is the correct coding pattern of the 4 nitrogenous bases of DNA. The right option is 1. DNA contains 4 nitrogen bases: adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Adenine, guanine are purines. Thymine, cytosines are pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines are complementary bases. Adenine binds to thymine and guanine binds to cytosine. So the right option is ATCG. Question number 77. Chargaff's rule is applicable to Chargaff's rule is applicable to, right option is fourth one. So according Chargaff, purines and pyrimidines are equal. Number of purines equal to number of pyrimidines. That is Chargaff rule. Adenine, number of adenines equal to number of thymines. Number of guanines equal to number of cytosine. So this rule is applicable only for double stranded DNA and RNA. Question number 78. The sequence of nitrogen bases in a particular region of the non-coding strand of a DNA molecule was found to be C, A, T, G, T, 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 A, T, C, G, C. What would be the sequence of nitrogen base in the mRNA that is synthesized by the corresponding region of the coding strand? Is that DNA? So DNA containing the sequence of CATG, TTA, TCGC. This is the DNA sequence. What is the mRNA strand? Corresponding region of the coding strand. So the right option is one, GUA, because it is RNA. So instead of thymine, it contains uracil. Question number 79. What is the common point of similarity between DNA and RNA? Common point. So sir, right answer is fourth one. Both are polymers of nucleotides. Both the polymers of nucleotides. Question number 80. If a length of DNA has 45,000 base pairs, how many complete turns will the DNA molecule take? So length of DNA has 45,000 base pairs. How many turns it contains in that DNA molecule? So each turn contains 10 nitrogen bases. 10 nitrogen base pairs. Each turn contains 10 nitrogen base pairs. So here DNA length contains 45,000 base pairs. Then how many turns? So it means 45,000 divided by 10, that equal to 4500. So the right option is 1. Question number 81. Two strands of double helix model of DNA are held together by hydrogen bonds between right option is 1, nitrogen bases. Question number 82. The part of DNA molecule that varies among DNA molecule is right option is 2, nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases are varies. Question number 83. The rule that in a DNA the amount of adenine equals to that of the thymine and that guanine equals to that of cytosine is known as. So in this question, in DNA amount of adenine equals to thymine, amount of guanine equals to cytosine. Adenine equals to thymine, guanine equals to thymine. So this is nothing but Chargaff's rule. So right option is 3. Question number 84. The successive nucleotides of DNA are covalently linked through the bond is phosphodiester bonds. Question number 85. Duplication of DNA is termed as duplication of DNA. That is nothing but replication. Question number 86. Replication is nothing but formation of DNA from DNA. That is replication. Question number 87. DNA synthesis takes place during the right option is during interphase. In S phase DNA synthesis takes place. Question number 88. Experimental material for the study of DNA replication has been experimental material for the study of DNA replication. That is nothing but Escherichia coli. Question number 89. Escherichia coli with completely radioactive DNA was allowed to replicate in non-radioactive medium for 2 generations. Percentage of bacteria with radioactive DNA is E. coli with completely radioactive DNA was allowed to replicate in non-radioactive medium up to 2 generations. Then the percentage of bacteria with radioactive DNA. The right option is 50%. So because bacteria divides for every 20 minutes, after one replication, it means 20 minutes, the DNA was found to have intermediate density, that is hybrid DNA with one strand and one is normal. After two replications, it had been completed was found to consist of equal amount of hybrid DNA and light DNA. Equal amount of hybrid DNA and light DNA. Then the ratio of two types of DNA was 50:50. Question number 90. If you grow bacteria in heavy nitrogen and then switched them to light nitrogen, how many generations after switching would have some light or light DNA? Grow bacteria in heavy nitrogen and then switch it to light nitrogen. How many generations after switching? So right option is 2. Second generation. It have some light DNA. Question number 91. Taylor demonstrated semi-conservative chromosome replication in. Taylor demonstrated semi-conservative chromosome replication. The right option is 1. Vicia faba. It means broad bean. That is nothing but Vicia faba. Question number 92. DNA having labeled thymidine is allowed to replicate in medium having non-radioactive thymidine. After 3 duplications, the DNA molecules having labeled thymidine shall be. So after 3 duplications, the DNA molecules having labeled thymidine shall be 2. 2 labeled thymidine molecules are have. Question number 93. During DNA replication, the sequence specificity of bases in the newly synthesized strand is determined by. Right option is template strand. Question number 94. DNA replication requires. DNA replication requires. The right option is 4th one. It requires DNA ligase enzyme and also DNA polymerase enzyme. Both are required in DNA replication. Question number 95. DNA replication is. DNA replication is. It is semi-conservative and discontinuous process. Question number 96. Okazaki is famous for his studies on. Okazaki is famous for his studies on DNA replication. Question number 97. Okazaki fragments are. Okazaki fragments are. These are short DNA fragments on the lagging strand. Lagging strand contains Okazaki fragments. And opposite to this, leading strand, that is a continuous new strand is formed in 5' to 3' direction. But in lagging strand, Okazaki fragments are formed 5' to 3' direction. Question number 98. Method of DNA replication in which 2 strands of DNA separate and synthesize new strands. Method of DNA replication in which 2 strands of DNA separate and synthesize new strands. That method is semi-conservative method. Question number 99. The new strand synthesized in small pieces and then joined together during DNA replication is called the right option is lagging strand. The new strand synthesized in small pieces, those are called Okazaki fragments. The pieces are Okazaki fragments, and the fragments are joined together in the process of DNA replication. That strand is lagging strand. Question number 100. During DNA replication, the term leading strand is applied to the one which replicates in the right option is 3, 5 prime to 3 prime direction. It is continuously formed. During DNA replication, leading strands is 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Opposite to leading strand, lagging strand is there. In that lagging strand, it contains Okazaki fragments, small pieces. But in leading strand, it is continuously formed, 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel.